All right, we're starting off with a 3-pound bag of our shredded hash browns in our crock pot. Perfect. Next, I'm coming in with my 2 pounds of cooked ground beef. This is gonna be such an easy and delicious dinner. Okay, let's go ahead and get all of that beef in there. Oh my goodness, that looks so good. Next, I'm coming in with 2 cans of our cheddar cheese soup. And we're just gonna put both of those cans right on top of our ground beef. Don't worry, we will give this a good mix. Get all of that cheese out. Yum-y. Next, I have here some taco seasoning mix. I'm using the 25% less sodium because there's enough sodium in that cheese soup, but we are using this whole packet of taco seasoning, and I'm putting it directly in my crock pot instead of just seasoning my meat because I want the entire dish to be seasoned with this, not just the meat. Now I'm gonna come in with my minced garlic. You can use fresh garlic if you like, but I just hate cutting up garlic, and we are gonna add 2 tablespoons of garlic right into our crock pot. It doesn't need to be exact, just add as much as you like. Now, before we give this a mix, I am gonna add some Mexican shredded cheese. I'm only gonna add about half of the bag for now, and then we're gonna save the rest for on top. Perfect. And you can use whatever cheese you like. So if you don't like the Mexican, you can use a Colby Jack, a cheddar, whatever you like. And now we are gonna mix everything together so that it all gets evenly distributed. Oh my goodness, this is gonna taste amazing. All these flavors just go so nicely together, and it just makes, you know, such an easy dinner in your crock pot. You can just set it and forget it. You can also use this same exact recipe for a 13 by 9 and put it in the oven, whatever works for you. I personally love doing this in the crock pot, but let's go ahead and get this fully mixed together. That taco seasoning, the ground beef, the cheddar cheese, the Mexican cheese, and that garlic. We don't want a big bite of just garlic for any of our guests. Goodness, that looks perfectly mixed. Let's just kind of flatten it out just a little bit so we can do a nice cheese crust on top. Oh, it smells really good too, that taco seasoning and that garlic. Okay, just come right back in with our Mexican cheese and put it right on top. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be cheesy, meaty, and delicious. Serve it with a salad for the perfect dinner. Okay, that is it, you guys. So easy, just a few ingredients. Kind of affordable. We're gonna pop this on high and let it cook. All right, you guys, it's been 2 hours on high. We're gonna go ahead and turn this off and let's check it out. Oh my goodness. It smells incredible. You can definitely smell that garlic. Okay, before we start to dig in, I'm just gonna top this off with some green onion. This is optional. Just I feel like it complements all the flavors just beautifully. Perfect. And now it is time to serve this up. I wish I had some sour cream to eat with this, but unfortunately we're all out, but that's not gonna stop me. Oh my goodness, it's perfectly cooked. Now these are gonna be soft potatoes, not crunchy, so keep that in mind when you make this recipe. Oh my goodness, look at all of that flavor. Ooh, Flavor Town, right? That is really good, you guys. You gotta try it.